उससे अच्छा ये तो नया कैमरा है 70D
ब्लूटूथ भी है ना,
उसको वाईफाई ब्लूटूथ नहीं वायरलेस
वायरलेस भी।
चलो वही कैमरा वन है
सैमसंग से भी झगड़ा होने लगा, ऐसा सीधा घुमा।
सुन भाई आगे आगे थोड़ा आगे दीपिका जी आगे थोड़ा थोड़ा आगे Hi, hi, yeah.
Okay.
Can you?
First of all, good evening, everybody.
Yeah, good evening.
My association with Van Heusen. So I think I've always believed that, and I've always said this, that a brand that I endorse has to be an extension of my personality. And I think a brand like Van Heusen, or any brand for that matter, will always look for the same thing in someone who's representing the brand. And I think that's exactly. So why Van Heusen? Because I think it was an interesting idea. Fashion is something that is an extension of, sort of an extension of what I do. I started off as a model. I got the opportunity to work with some of the best talent designers in our country, not just in our country, but globally as well. And somewhere along I think somewhere along the line, that kind of influences or has influenced my own style.
Change the mic. Can
No, hello? Okay, can we increase the volume, please? Hello? Yeah. So I think it was a natural progression, and somewhere along the line, after having done so many films and played so many different characters, and having dressed for so many events, over the years I've developed my own style. And I thought it would be nice. Every time I go into a store, I always looked at an outfit and said, oh, I wish it had a little bit of something, or I wish it had a little bit less of something. And you kind of imagine your own, a dress being a certain way. And I think that's how limited edition by Deepika Padukone came into being. And, I think Van Heusen was also looking for someone who stood for the same values. And that's sort of how it came about. So it's a new venture for me. It's something that I'm trying for the first time, and something that I'm most importantly just having fun doing. Very, he's asking what kind of clothes they're going to be. It's going to be very, very wearable, very, very comfortable. And most importantly, I think when a girl wears limited edition, she has to feel like herself. I think very often we kind of get carried away by fashion and what is in style, and we lose our own identity and we lose our own personality. And limited edition is not about that. It's about making you feel special, feel beautiful, but at the same time feel like yourself, and you feel comfortable in the clothes that you wear. For me, that was very, very important.
दीपिका यहाँ पीछे, ठीक है? हाँ. हाय दीपिका, वैसे तो फैशन की कई सारे डेफिनेशन हैं, आपके लिए फैशन क्या है? वैसे मेरे दो सवाल हैं, पहला सवाल इसके बाद एक और.
Fashion for me is to be a. आप लोग बहुत बात कर रहे हो यार, प्लीज बंद करो ना.
प्लीज सेटल डाउन.
Fashion for me is what I believe in, what suits my personality, what suits my body type, what I can carry off. Fashion for me personally is not what people in the fashion world are dictating to me, and that, oh, you should wear this and you should wear that. It's what I feel comfortable in, wear your personality. That's what I've always believed in. I've said this before also. So wear your personality.
मेरा दूसरा सवाल आपके लिए ये है, आपने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बताया कि दीपिका पादुकोण लिमिटेड एडिशंस, तो इन एडिशंस में से कुछ गिफ्ट आप अगर किसी बॉलीवुड के सेलिब्रिटी या फिर आपके किसी दोस्त को देना चाहें तो वो कौन होगा?
I think, as far as the industry is concerned, I think most actresses have their own very distinct individual style. So I'm actually looking forward more to dressing, the everyday college girls, like my friends, or even the girls actually that you're going to see, the girls who are going to be walking the ramp today. They are girls who I identify with and girls who identify with me. For me, dressing someone like that is way more exciting.
हेलो दीपिका हियर। दीपिका, इलेक्शन का माहौल चल रहा है और आईफा भी शुरू हो रहा है 24 तारीख को, तो आप आईफा में जाएंगी या वोट डालेंगी?
मैं वोट करके फिर आईफा जाऊंगी।
दीपिका हाय,